everybody, this is Jason from Blue Weather. In today's video, we will dissect, is top tier really better gas than just regular fuel that's not top tier? And we'll talk about a few of those. What kind of miles per gallon that we get from top tier versus not top tier. Also, we used additives, so we'll talk about the miles per gallon that we got from additives. Now, this is an 8-month, 11,000 mile road test that I did on this 2007 Honda. Hey everybody, this is Jason again. Like I said in the beginning, I have a 2007 Honda Fit Sport 5-speed, and I did a 8-month, 11,000 mile test using various different gases. The ones I actually used was Citgo, Shell, Marathon, and Gomart. And the reason why I picked Gomart is a local West Virginia gas maker here in West Virginia, and it's not recognized as a top tier fuel. So we'll compare it to those other 3 top tier fuels, plus we use some additives like Chemtool, STP, Amsoil, and Lucas, to name a few, to see if it approved gas mileage like they say, or was it just better getting a higher octane like 93, or better yet, was it better just using 87 octane in the car and just driving it. Like I said, I drive 300 plus miles a week. This was driven the same way just about every week. I'm a pretty boring person, driving to my 2 jobs. It's the same way all the time, and so no extra really driving in there anywhere in that 300 miles that would change the way that I would drive. Obviously, over an 8-month period, temperature obviously controls a little bit of that, but I think for the most point from this video, you kind of get an idea on whether top tier or additives helps or hurts, at least in my car. Anyways, all right guys, let's get right on with the video. Start with average miles per gallon. The only one on this list that is not top tier is Gomart. Not sure who they get their fuel from, but like I said, they're a West Virginia fuel business, and I'm not sure if they are top tier. They're just not listed as top tier, but the first 3 is top tier, and it shows Marathon at 37.2 per gallon. Citgo, I got 37.1 per gallon, and Shell, I got 36.7 per gallon, and then Gomart, I averaged 36 per gallon. So if it is not top tier, then that probably makes sense why. Now, the next thing we're going to look at that I studied on my particular car was the additives. Lucas top cylinder lubricant. I got the best miles per gallon out of it over top of Chemtool. The thing that surprised me was Amsoil. As expensive as Amsoil is, and I tried 2 different things. One that was guaranteed to make it 5% better that you don't have to put in there every week, and one that you actually fill up with every fuel change. And but by far the Lucas upper cylinder lubricant got the best miles per gallon at 37.3. Then Chemtool, Amsoil, and STP gas treatment really was worse than using regular fuel, so probably won't use that again. I don't know why, but it does not work very good in my Honda. Last but not least, I wanted to compare regular octane, high test gasoline, and the gas with additive in my Honda 5-speed with a 1.5 motor in it, VTEC. 87 octane got the best miles per gallon at 37 miles per gallon average. The 93 got 36.6, and with the additive, only 35.9. So over a mile per gallon better on regular 87 octane than if I even used the additive. So that's very interesting. Alright guys, I appreciate you watching my video. I hope this helps you, and you ought to do your own test on yours, see what yours comes up with. Guys, you have a good one.